Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick install on this gorgeous braided wig. It's a full lace wig and it's braided so beautifully. I mean, you can see the tips of the braided wigs looking really lovely. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so I've just unbraided the back of the wig and also cut the lace off. So I'm just going to do the front bit now. So I'm just going to lift the lace up and use a bit of melting spray. So I'm just going to put the melting spray just very close to my hairline, like around here. Just got to be careful. Just got to tilt your head a little bit just to I don't really like to use a lot of spray, to be honest. It's just a very temporary hold just for me to use it for that day. So if you're anything like me, I'm not very big on glue or spray or anything like that. Just use a little bit just to give you a temporary hold, and yeah, something you could actually just take out quite quickly as well. Another way I do it is sometimes just put it on my palm and just take it and just dab it across. I'm actually supposed to be using the smaller, what's it called, the smaller flat iron, but I haven't got one. So I'm just going to try to use this one. Hopefully I don't burn myself. But yeah, but if you've got the small one, by all means, you can use that as well. So this is the final look. I did decide to put it in a bun because I do feel like it's pretty, isn't it? I mean, what do you think? Can you let me know in the comment section what you think? If you think it's pretty, if you think it's not pretty. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we've come to the end of the video. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, just head over to our website. I'm going to drop the product link in the description box. So all you're going to do is just click onto our website, and we've got a code for you. Well, you don't really need to put in a code because once you check out, it just automatically takes out $20 or £15, all depending on where you're purchasing from. So don't forget that this unit is not in stock. We actually do produce it from scratch. So the moment we receive payment, we begin to produce your gorgeous braided wig, and that takes us 15 working days because it's hand braided. Yeah, then after that will ship out to you, and it takes about 7 working days to arrive at your doorstep. So yeah, if you've got any concerns, if you've got any questions, if you've got any constructive criticisms, I'm all open to that. Just drop it in the comment section, and yeah, we'll just try to get as interactive as possible. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for riding with me. Every single one of you who has tuned in and spent that much time trying to listen to the BS that I'm saying. Sorry, I didn't mean to use that word, but yeah. Yeah, so thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I do hope that you come back again to our channel because we've got like loads of hairstyles that you can pick from. So thank you so much. Thank you. I do appreciate you. And it's goodbye for now. Take care. Bye.